Start right here. Start right here. Start right here. Yeah. What's poppin', man? This is your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be breaking down one of my favorite songs, Young Thug, Oh Yeah, produced by Weezy. And I believe it was also executively produced by Post Malone. I mean, that's just so much talent in one place, man. That's crazy. And that's how this song came out the way it did. And Young Thug killed it. You know what I'm saying? But mostly what got me, I'm like, damn, the beat was so hot. So I'm like, let's just break it down so I can understand what was going inside the mind of Weezy when he made this beat. Let's get it. So you're gonna start with the main sound, which is the piano, and I use the Nexus Grand Piano, PN Grand Piano, and this is how it sounds. So yeah, those are the keys right there, and I believe it's in B minor, and the BPM is 80. Okay, that's the first sound. Let's go to the second sound, which is, let me just bring them one by one. We're building a puzzle. This is the string, the sweet. Okay, and this is how they sound together. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go to the next instrument. The next instrument is the so for the string I use Purity, and the sound that I use is Deep Blue Sea. It's a slow synth. Then now I got Purity again, and I use a lead trance sequence. Yeah, I think it's called trance sequence, and I just chopped it up so it can be as quick and precise as possible. So you're gonna hear how that sounds like alone. Oh, it's off. Bring it on. That's all. And this is how it sounds at the beat. Hey, small thing makes a big difference. Dynamite comes in small packages. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna go and add more. Building up a puzzle, man. Shout out to Weezy. He really killed this. Okay, now we go to the kick. Unfortunately, we go to the kick so early, but it's always nice to get to the kick at the end. Now let's go to the 808. Here's how it sounds. You see the 808 has some slides. I had to slide this to get it right. It wasn't easy. It was a crazy job, but I enjoyed it. Then this is how it sounds with everything. Hey. Okay, now let's put in the rim. The rim is the one that acts like a snare now. Hey. Ooh. So nice and clean. I use the 707 rim, and as you know, I'm gonna give you guys the FLP for this, so there's no stress about the sounds that I've used. Now let's hear it, how it sounds with that. Okay, that was also supported by a snap. Let's see how it sounds with the snap. Same pattern. Okay, cool. And here's the pattern for the open hat, and let's see how it sounds. Here sounds with the beat. Okay, cool. Now we got this perk, not a Percussion. So let's play how it sounds alone. Okay, it's almost like it's going with a clap. Then we're gonna also hear how it sounds with the rest. Okay, it's just adding on to the snares and the rims and the snaps. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna add the kick. As you can see, here's how the kick is by itself. It's on C. Sounds stupid when it's alone, but let me play with the beat. You're gonna hear. Hey, hey, oh. Okay. And now let's add a hat. It's a closed hat. Let's hear how it sounds like. Okay, it's just that. So this beat hat was so precise that, you know, I had to just get this hat only just so that it can be like, because I felt like every sound in this beat made sense. So I wanted to make it exactly the way it was. Hey. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna add a snare. Let's see how it sounds alone. Okay, this is how it sounds the rest. Hey, hey, oof. Okay, cool. It sounds dope. Now let's add the final hat. I think this is the chopped up hat. Let's see how it sounds alone. Okay, so as I said, this beat I had to really be a surgeon. Is it a doctor, a person who performs surgery? Is it a surgeon? I had to be that. I had to chop it up. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's play the beat now and hear how it sounds like. Yeah, that's it. That's how Wheezy made Oh Yeah by Young Thug. Shout out to you for watching, and if you want me to break down another beat, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy so we can grow and reach 1,000 subscribers and start cashing it up. But for now, I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. I'm uploading every day, baby. Let's get it.